Right now we're wiring up our boards. Some of us are going to be in Skills USA. We can braze as well.
Here's Valley High School, and this is the HVAC lab. This is where we learn how to do it all. They start out learning refrigeration fundamentals. So it's the basics of refrigeration, how refrigeration works, thermodynamics, how heat works. Their second year is HVAC electricity. So they're going to learn how to wire and install everything you see in here. Third year is electrical components like transformers and relays, and learning how to troubleshoot. And the kids seem to love it. And I've put over 150 kids to work since I've been here. It's rewarding.
I work at Prudential HVAC as well. I work with all the guys in the morning. I help them load up their vans and stuff for deliveries.
What I do at KCC is I make the commercial units that go on to skyscrapers, big buildings that people work in, and I cut the copper and braze it on to the units that we're making.
Most of these kids that are in this class right here already had jobs. Our business partners, they will hire you at 17 years old, let you work in the warehouse, get the hang of it. And then when you turn 18, you've got a guaranteed job.
This is a very good career. This is what you want to do. It pays well, and HVAC is one of the better careers because you never run out of work. There's always work to do.
I got these guys brazing outside on the ground, up here on a ladder, things like this, and here working on these furnaces, just like you would if you was out in the field. They can grasp onto it so easy. So a lot of these kids just run with it.
My first couple years that I was in high school, I was really concerned about what I was going to do when I came out. But after I found HVAC, I loved it, and it feels great to know what I'm going to do when I get out of high school. Just knowing that I have a job so I can start building credit, so I can get land, buy a house, just knowing that out of high school that I can go get my own place feels great.
To say probably 80% of the kids that we put out of here are still working in HVAC. So that's pretty good, I think.